this morning. Got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we could fly. With you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ex is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky.
Friends, good morning, or whenever you're watching this video. If you're new here, I'm Nardia. Nice to meet you. And to all my old time subscribers, hey friends, thank you for clicking on another video. Today, I'm just gonna take you around the day. Today is Thursday, and today is definitely a homebody day for me, which means I don't feel like going anywhere. So I'm just gonna stay in the house, do a lot of cleaning. I have some things that I have to get done, tidy up the house, work on some stuff for my business. I don't plan on leaving the house today. Some of the things that I want to get done is I'm in the process of revamping my bedroom, and not like a major makeover because I'm not ready for that yet. Saving up the money for that. But I just want to spruce it up a little bit. So I have some ideas, and I definitely want to upgrade the artwork there. But what I want to do is I bought these picture frames from Michael's because they had a sale last week where it was, if you're in store you buy one get one free. So I saved and I bought 3 picture frames, well, poster frames, and they are 16 by 24 inches. And then I was searching on Etsy for artwork to put in there, because my vision is I'd rather have the picture frames or poster frames so that I can change up the artwork when I feel like it. If I get tired of a certain artwork, I can change it up with another poster or another picture, instead of having like an actual framed canvas art there, where if I get tired of it or I want to switch it up, I have to buy another framed canvas art. So I'm investing more. It wasn't that expensive, but in the picture frames where I could just change out the photo inside, which is more inexpensive, because I do like to switch up the decor of my home based on the seasons, based on my mood. So I say all that to say, I was looking on Etsy for art to put inside of it, and I've been searching for a few days now, and I can't find anything that I've liked exactly. So I decided to create my own, and I'm going to print it at a local printer shop here in Ohio. Well, FedEx. But they're not too far from me, so I'm going to print it out, and hopefully I can just revamp the bedroom and see how it looks. I did that recently with a photo that I put by my stairs. I'll show you guys in a minute, but my staircase was looking so bland and so boring. I'll insert a picture here of my staircase, and I should have recorded the whole process for you guys, but I recently revamped my staircase where I painted it from like the brown wood, and I painted all the trims and the face of the stairs white, and then I also added the art print and a little table with some decor on it. So I recently did that, and the good thing about that is, once again, the art print is bold, a lot of flowers, a big bright floral, but then when fall comes I can switch it up with something more fall themed. I don't know, but something more autumnal. And then when Christmas comes, I can do more of a Christmas poster inside that big frame. But that big frame, as soon as you walk through my front door, is just eye-catching. As soon as you walk in, that's what you see, and I just love it. My idea is to do the same thing in my bedroom, just not in that big frame, just 3 smaller frames. That's it. Just whatever I have to get done today. Let's go.
get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.
It's been about an hour and I've been on Canva. Canva will have you go down a rabbit hole of just creating, because I love to create, and I'm so indecisive right now about how do I explain it? Let me just show you guys. But what I'm trying to say is I need to get up and do something else, and I need to just narrow down the images that I created to just the one that I need. But let me show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm working on Canva right now. Over my bed, which I will show you guys when I do it, I do want to have 3 different art prints. These two, when it says good morning sunshine and good night moon, the black and the white one, those are going to probably stay permanently, and if not permanently, for a long time. But I want to change up the middle picture for something that is more representative of the season that I'm in, or I just want to change up the middle picture. So I created 3 different middle picture based on Canva's images that they have to offer. I can't decide on which one. So the first one is, this is how it's going to look above my bed. This one says good morning sunshine, I'm excited for today's adventure, and then it has this beautiful blue picture with a butterfly, and I like this one because it has the butterfly and I like the butterflies, and that will be the middle picture. But I feel like the color blue is just too much of a contrast between the black and the white. So let's move that one back. And then the next one that I like is this green one here at the end. And I feel like the green is like a good mixture, but I'm not sure. Something about the green with the dark of this one I like, but I can't decide on the green yet. And then the next one is this one, which I love it, but I feel like it's too simple, but I still love it. It's like I'm contradicting myself. I love it, but I feel like it's too simple, but it's just like cherry blossoms. I love it, but I feel like it pulls more to the white one and it leaves the black one out. I need something that can balance both. And the last one is this one here, which I think is my favorite. I think it ties in both because it has the water, which represents the black and all that. It ties in with the black, and then I'm assuming that the cherry blossoms, which are more white and light colored, that ties in more with this side, and then it has the green in the center. So I don't know yet which one I'm going to choose, but I'm going to take a break, do something else, and come back with a fresh pair of eyes, and I will show you guys which one I chose once I put it up in my bedroom.
Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it on my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, host a hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switch.
The next thing I want to work on real quick is I'm trying to make things a little bit more efficient in my office. So this is my packing desk where I pack orders when the orders come through. However, after I finish packing all the orders, I then take the packages or the envelopes over to my regular working desk, and my demo printer is here, which is connected to my laptop. But I feel like it'll be better and more efficient if I move my Dymo label printer over to that desk so that when I pack orders, I could just attach the laptop to it and just print it easier. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but I just prefer the Dymo printer over on this desk because I can just print out the shipping labels once I pack each order because it has my scale and everything down there. So I think that will work better. And these are some of my products, like my stickers are here. I would have to move them somewhere else. And my other products, like my pins and keychains and washi tape and things, are over here. I do have to eventually clear that shelf off at the top, but I'm not ready for that yet. So I think I'm going to put these stickers somewhere on this shelving unit here, and then put the Dymo label printer here. I don't like too much clutter. There is definitely space for the Dymo label printer now, but if I do put the Dymo label printer, it's going to be too cluttered for me, and it's going to drive me crazy. So I just need to, I just need to get, this here is beautiful, but it's not being used to its full potential. So let me organize this, bring the Dymo label printer over, and just do something. Just do something.
My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor.
So much better. I do like it better here, so I can have all this space to pack your orders. When I'm ready to ship, my laptop can be right here. Everything is here, so I no longer have to pack everything at this desk and move to that desk to print. I can just do everything here. Just sit here and get everything all done. More efficient. I don't know why I didn't do this before. And the stickers, the only thing I moved really was the sticker sheets. I put them here instead. So in case you guys don't know, I have a business. It's called Nardia K Kreations, and I sell stickers and stationery for like affirmations, manifestation, Black Girl Magic. For example, this is one of my most popular sticker sheets. It's called the Black Girl Magic sticker sheet and things like that. I also have keychains, like for example this one right here, one of my most popular, and also pins. These are all the pins that I've created. I'm abundant, vaccinated but still introverted. The top seller right here, which is my Sankofa bird pin. The journal is also a big seller, which is, I need to make more. I only have 2 left. So this is my journal right here. I need to make some more, but many other things. As you guys can see, I have a wall of products here. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description bar. You can check it out. I just got these packages from Amazon. Super excited because I was waiting for them. One of them are 2 bedside lamps that I got from my bedroom upstairs. Like I told you guys, I'm revamping it. and another one is a digital clock. Now I'm going really inexpensive with my bedroom items because in a few years I might do like a whole entire remodel, but for right now I'm just revamping it with inexpensive items from Amazon and stuff. Just things that I need currently. So I'm going to put the lamp together, take out the clock, and hopefully I can show it to you guys at the same time when I show you the reveal of which photos I chose. But I can't find my box cutter and I just had it. Just had it. So I think it's upstairs. Let me go back up there. It was definitely not upstairs. Went up there for no reason. But anyway, I have a scissor somewhere in my house somewhere. I'll use that. It's maybe it's in the office. But let me put these items together and I'll show it to you guys.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get the shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it.
As promised you guys, let me show you the artwork that I chose to go above my bed. I don't think I've ever taken you guys inside of my bedroom. So welcome. Don't be nosy. I chose this art piece, which I did not show you guys when I was doing it, when I was creating it. But this is from Canva as well. I just thought it blended better. And this one is white background. That one is a black background. But this one is like a light pink background. So it's not as harsh as the white, but it's not as dark as the black, obviously. I felt like it just came together. So this is how it looks, and I absolutely love it. The good thing, like I said, is I can switch it out depending on the season. The middle one especially, I'll switch out the most. I love it. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And it just ties in with the rest of my bedroom decor, which is a lot of black furniture, but a lot of colored accent pieces. Black furniture, that's my decor. And black curtains. So black furniture with a whole lot of accent pieces that are colored. Oh, and the lamps. Let me show you guys the lamps. So these are the lamps that just came from Amazon that I just got. The other one is on this side. Love it. Oh, and the clock that I got. This is it right here. It's like a mirror. I love it. And I love that it says the day of the week, Monday. And I also love the feature that it does this thing where it automatically dims the color, dims the brightness when it gets to a certain time. I think it's like 7 or 8 o'clock at night, so it's not too bright when I am trying to sleep. All the links for what I showed you today from Amazon will be in the description bar. Thank you again, and until my next video, like I said, I will talk to you guys in the comment section. Bye!
I woke up this morning.